my songs in quiet rooms where shadows dance beneath the moon. Each note becomes a piece of mind. Each echo leads to what I find. Walking streets with neon glow. The city hums, but I still want to know. I'm fragments of all I've seen, dreams and tunes that breathe between. No answers now, just melodies. They carry me through memories. I draw my thoughts in shades of night, read the stars till they turn bright. I listen close to words so few. Every silence feels something true. Walking streets with neon glow. The city